This video is in regards to upgrading my turn signals from standard halogen to LED. A few days ago my indicator on the dashboard came on stating that my left side turn signal is burnt out. Those are just factory halogen bulbs. For whatever reason it kind of corrected itself, that issue, but I ordered these. They're just a set of LED turn signals, amber in color. Got them off of eBay. They're about 20 some odd dollars. These opened up here. That's the actual part number. So these work on a number of cars, but basically they have 3 amber LEDs in there, and they have a bunch of LEDs around the side. It's got a heat sink. So I'm going to swap these out. This is going to go in place of that, and we'll see how they look. Just show you guys in general if you wanted to buy some LED turn signals. I'll change one and leave the other one stock so we can compare. It's going under the hood. I'm not sure how hard it's going to be to get access to those, but let's see what we're facing here. Let me get a flashlight up here back with you guys. So they appear to be accessible way down in there. So I'm working on an E70 X5, this would be specific to that, but this upgrade can be done for any BMW. Those bulbs that I bought are CAN bus friendly, so they're not going to give you a warning on your dash supposedly. So you just gotta turn counterclockwise, and then the bulb comes out. Not too hard. And then let's detach this bulb from here and see what it looks like compared to the new bulbs. Yeah, okay, so squeeze the sides and then rotate. It's a pretty funky looking bulb. So that's factory. Not too many bulbs fit there. You can't get these from AutoZone or your local or anywhere but the dealer, and they have to order them in. It's an oddball bulb. It's pretty strange. I think it's the same for a number of BMWs, but because of that I figured why not just upgrade to LED while I'm at it. Anyway, like I was showing, it only goes in one way. You just put it in there and then rotate. It clicks into place. So I'm going to go reinstall that on the car now. Okay. The bulb's in. It's a little finicky. Gonna run the hazards and see how they compare. This car also has LED angel lights already, so that's factory. After a while the LEDs turn off. So this is your typical flash. Has a bit of a fade while it's running. That one looks more modern. It's more on-off. It's just like an instant. There's no fading. It's just instantly on and off. So you can tell newer cars have that more rapid flash. Looks better. They're more orange too. That's like a yellowish color. And it's got a very amber color. So I like it. I'm gonna change that one out, start the car, see if I get any error codes. Basically, it's gonna go that way. New LEDs installed. Hook 4 ways on again. It's really easy job. Looks good. So considering this is a 2007, that kind of makes it look a little more up to date with that rapid flash, that signature LED look, and I upgraded my halos to LED as well. They were pretty ugly stock, so it's not a bad job at all. I'm gonna start it up and we'll see with the lights on. Okay. That's just normal. That flicker only appears in camera, you don't see it in real life. So for 20 bucks, that's a good upgrade. It looks more modern. See, key on. See if I got any warning messages. No. Or the check control. Yeah, so I have left 2-stage brake lane. I've had that for a while, I gotta fix that. But I don't have anything regarding front turn signals. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna probably change out the taillights on this car to the newer models. Get some depot ones and encode them to the car and all that. But yeah. One last clip here. This is locking or unlocking. Okay, this is locking, and that has a bit of a fadeaway when you lock it. That's how they look, or how they respond to that. Pretty nice. Pretty happy with that. They look good. So that's what it'll look like if you want to upgrade your LEDs on your X5, or I'll probably do this on my E90 just to see how it looks on that car. But yeah, worthwhile upgrade for the money. Make sure it says. It's got to say CAN bus lights so that it won't give any error codes on your actual iDrive or on the dash. And with the turn signal on, I'm not getting a rapid flash. It's not like a really quick flash, it's just a very typical flash. That's what you want. That means there's enough resistance there for it not to think the bulb was burnt out. So yeah, that's what you got to do if you want to replace the turn signals, upgrade your turn signals to LED. Thanks for watching.